today we're looking at part number 6-239. This is your 9,000 to 10,000 pound castle nut, spindle castle nut, for your number 99 spindles. This castle nut right here works with the Alco axles, the Cotter axles, the Alco and Hayes axles with the 99 spindle. You see it's pretty big right there, looking at it in my hand. And I'll give you the dimensions of it right quick. So it's going to be 2.23 inches outer diameter, and it is 1.14 inches thick, and the ID is going to be 1.42 inches. So this will work with the Rockwell American, the Alco, Lippert, and Cotter axles. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call 844-898-8687, or just stop by our store here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'll help you out. Thanks.